welcome to the course of Embedded Systems and IoT. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called definition of embedded system. So before getting into the definition of embedded system, we need to know what is a basic system. Okay. So system is nothing but we can put it in this way. A system is a combination of various components of various domains such that whenever you give some input, it provides the respective output. Let's take a basic example of a system like I want to switch on the fan or a light. So what I will do, I will go to the switchboard and switch on that particular switch such that electricity will be passing through the wire and electricity goes through the either motor. In the case of fan, it goes to the motor, and in the case of bulb or light, it goes to a filament or an LED such that the output will be achieved. So what's happening there? Here, the light or a fan is a combination of various components like capacitors, resistors, and induction coils, something like that. Okay. And we also have a mechanical structure to see over there such that the wind or the intensity of light will be projecting up to a particular area. So a combination of various electrical, electronic, or mechanical domains, which include several types of components, are combined together. And whenever we are trying to give an input, it gives the required output. That is what basically you can say a system is. Now, what is an embedded system? So here, for a normal system, we are making adding something to that to make an smart or an intelligent system. So already we've seen like system is a combination of various components or various modules, right? Now these particular components or modules, we are considering it as hardware. Now what we try to do is we try to add some software to that in the form of instructions. So here we need a brain or a computing mechanism, which we can consider it as a controller or a processor, and we need some sort of memory attached to that. Okay. If at all you are going for a microcontroller, already inbuilt memory will be there. And if at all you are going for a microprocessor, you need to add some external memory such that whatever the program we write, whatever the set of instructions we give, that will be uploaded into that particular hardware, a memory of that particular chip or a computer, such that whenever we give some input, it gives the output automatically. Okay. So this is what we are trying to do. So we are trying to embed a set of instructions or set of program. To keep it simple, we are trying to embed software into the hardware such that whenever an input is given, output is achieved. So input can be in the form of a switch, it can be in the form of a sensor or any kind of mechanism, and output can be achieved in the form of display, moving a motor or a light or something like that. So coming to the textbook definitions, an embedded system is an electronic or electromechanical system designed to perform a specific function. And it is also a combination of both hardware and software. Okay. So especially what we need to focus is embedded system is designed for a specific task only. Okay. And if you see a few examples over here, examples like industrial robots, GPS receivers, digital cameras, DVD players, MP3 players, ovens, Xerox machines or photocopy machines, gaming consoles, set-top boxes, wireless routers, and remote control. So many things are there which will be considering it as an embedded system. So an embedded system is very much unique and also very much specialized to the application domain. It is fixed to a particular specialization or applications. Now, what we are trying to do is, let me show you a basic block diagram through which a clear embedded system explanation can be given. So this is a basic block diagram where we are considering input devices, computer. Here computer is nothing but the brain, what we are considering. Here brain can be a microcontroller or a microprocessor according to your requirement, what type of application you are designing. Now we have output devices over here and we have a memory element such that whatever the program you write, that will be stored into that particular memory. So if you clearly see, an embedded system is a combination of hardware as well as software. Here hardware indicates input devices, computers like microcontroller or microprocessor, output devices along with the memory. And the software here indicates the instructions or the set of program what you put it in that particular microcontroller or a microprocessor with the help of a memory. So whenever you try to give some input, it gives you a desired output. This is how an basic embedded system can be defined. Thank you.